Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I am here to share hashtag artist trading card fun hosted by Jean over at Lizzie Jean's Artistic Chaos. Um, she's having an open collaboration of altering different types of um, items. It's the only thing I can think of um, that expanded from artist trading cards, which is the 2.5 by 3.5 playing card. You know, so I'll have her video down below if you're interested in listening to her explain all the different items we have altered over the years and how artists use them all in their artwork, and it's very interesting. And I thought I'd take part because I wanted to learn more of, each one. I've done quite a few of these in the past, but this one today I might have done a mini moo card, but I've never done a large moo card. I don't know what a moo card is, guys. I mean, I looked on um, YouTube, and a moo card is like a business card. Um, it, I don't know. It might be something you give somebody for information, like like a business card, and it has your art on it. So I don't know. I'm not an expert in this part. So I watched her video again, and she kind of goes into the large moo cards, and it measures 1.5 by 4.5. Okay. And you can tuck it in your journals. You could do a lot. You could put it on a card. You could, it's very versatile. Um, and fun. I had fun making these large moo cards. Okay. So this is my interpretation of them. So what I used in the background, it's really dark, and I went and I used an old Tim Holtz packaging, and it wasn't, I mean, these used to be thicker back in the day, but I had to back this up. I love the background. So you don't have to do any inking of any kind. And I backed it with some 110 cardstock because I wanted this to be kind of sturdy. If I'm going to put it in a pocket, or make a tag out of it, or I can easily put a tab on here, and I could have layered this all up in all, I mean, you know, um, but I wanted to keep it simple because I wanted to show you, it's a pretty good size. You could put this on a card, and that could be your focal point. I mean, a lot of card makers, I think, use ATCs and the ATC coins and stuff, and they add them to their cards, or you can add this to your front of your journals. You could add this in a pocket. You can put it in a tuck. You could, I mean, you could do whatever you want with these, which is so nice. Um, so I layered the packaging and the cardstock, the cream card, this beige craft cardstock. And then I got some book pages from my stash. I have a ton of them. I tore it up and I added it to the center, inked it, stamped on it, whatever you want to do on it. And then I added this black lace that I had in my stash, and I wanted to use it. And then these are ephemera pieces from Hobby Lobby. I was trying to find something long. I don't know if it's just me. When I think of something like this, it's tall and skinny. I want something long and skinny to put on it. And these two were in my stash and I thought it was perfect. Um, so these are ephemera pieces from Hobby Lobby. And this is a Dollar Tree gold sticker. And I thought it went went very well with with my vintage look. I love the gold. Let me show you up a little closer so you can see this my speckled stamp and stuff. And then I also did the edges or the corners with my We Are Memory Keepers. I think that I don't know what it's called, but um, it does the tag in the corners of your projects. I just love that look. So I did it on all four corners. I inked the edges of the ephemera pieces and I stamped on it a little bit. Yeah, so these are really cute and I love how it's very sturdy. And I'm going to use this. I may send this in Happy Mail. You know, these are great, you know, inspiration pieces to send to friends and, you know, and stuff like that. So I really love how that look. And with a little bit of research and watching Jean's video, I finally figured out what a large moo card was. I've done the mini ones, the mini moo cards, and that measures 1 1/4 by 2 2 3/4. So that will be another thing to have fun with. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Jean, I hope you're doing okay. I haven't seen you in a while, and I just want to send out my prayers to you and your husband. So thanks everybody for watching, commenting. If you want to give me a thumbs up, that's up to you, but I do appreciate it. Um, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.